Guys, I'm melting because of the heat. I realized that I start broadcasting and forgot to switch back. Switch back on the video and audio. That was actually level. Oh, it wasn't. It's not a good place to buy. I did a little correction. Let's keep it on a daily watch. Most of the things they just are high. The heck is this? Oh, the volume, yeah. Weird. And it died. Boom, boom, initiative takeover. And it died. ICE, huh? Political stock. Political stock, anyone? Yeah. Change direction. Unconfirmed, so. No continuation of the trend. Sberbank, I told you, it's like 3.5, closer to $4 right now. And it's a Russian major bank, an heir of Soviet only bank, of Soviet bank monopolies. So I think it's good in my portfolio, unless like Russia cracks under sanctions. That would be fun to watch. Well, not fun, it's gonna be great tragedy for a lot of people, but unless something major like this happens. That was an exhaustion, I think. It was good for short. Yeah, it's a massacre. It's a massacre. Again, after this volume, It's short, but it shouldn't be like so big. You know what I mean? It's good when it's big, but it should not be that big. That's the rule. Yeah, that's what happened here. Super volume, then no volume, and then volume. Well, yeah, no, there was not a test yet. Hey, oh. No, that's not what I meant. I can fly. Not so many actually. Like you see absolutely nothing that the one thing I should not do is like stupid moves. Just because there's nothing doesn't mean that I should do any unreasonable trades, you know what I mean? Yeah, that looks like it goes lower, because you see all the volume is here and we're below this volume, sliding lower, and that's like a support zone of the reverse now. So yeah, let's put it on a daily watch, but yeah, don't think there's anything for us. I can't fly. This is bullshit. Boing. It's our transitioning shroud, and it has a volume. It does have a volume, not the biggest, but doesn't have to be that biggest volume. And so yeah, and it's our transitioning strom now. Wait, what? And we consider direction reversed. Not really. So potentially 1 bar rule. Let's put it on a daily watch and be at peace with it. This is gonna be good for shorts soon. Boom. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. But also it's the biggest volume of. Works either way. Dominion energy. Absolutely works either way. It's kind of massacre. There was a transition extreme and then 1 bar roll. Then a little volume. I don't know. Change direction. And so if it did, that was also the sign of strength. And it worked. And it worked. What the heck is this? Yeah. And it worked. Boom. Boom. That was the sign of strength and nothing. I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah, look, all the volume is here. This is on volume, so I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. See, this level worked, the test level. It sounds bizarre when you were. It worked any way you wanted it to work. It just popped. Okay, Mishka, you can do it. Just work to the end of the list. So that my conscious is good. Why not? Should we do perforated levels within perforated levels? 20.5 bounced. Bounce to it, and now, yeah, be bobbing here. To know what to tell. To know what to tell. You guys, look at this volume. Year didn't even close yet. This ETF is popular. Yeah, somewhere here. Same deal. It's good for a. Oops. No. It's good for a trade from here, but volume distribution is not good. Just not. Sorry. It's not the right volume distribution. Exhausted itself in 0.5 and then did a spring test. This guy. I was making some money on Toyota Motor, like here. Now it's here. And it looks short. I can fly. Same deal. It's good for a quick trade from here. It's not that biggest volume, but there is volume. If seen from here, still not the biggest, but something. What a consolidation on both of them, actually. What a consolidation. It's counter trend. It's like more likely meant to be broken than respected. Before it gets broken, it can go either way. Same deal here. Look at this consolidation. Oh, 3 years, 2 years. Crazy. Just bebopping on the level, trying to figure out what it wants to do. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Target. This thing. Debopping around. Yeah. It was only good up to 0.5. It's not there yet. Down, up, then springs this thing and then goes down and down. It's still good for short trade after this upthrust. It's good up to 0.5 correction. It's not the biggest, but it's something. The heck is this? That's also technically good for counter trend. For counter trend. There was an upthrust that needed a test on the. Oh, it needs a close manipulation signal on monthly for investment trade, but for a swing trade, it does not. It does not. Ooh. Ooh, look where all the volume is. It's here. That was like good for, yeah. Anything on 5 minutes? Nothing. And up, and then down. This is sexy. Look where the volume is. It just hit the resistance. Went up and then violently all the demand was supplied all of a sudden right here, and that was reaction bar to this T1. This was interaction bar and this is reaction bar, so really look short for swing trade. Really look short for swing trade. Except for this volume, last hour of the day, and this is so low. Yeah, that's an interesting situation. And it's a spider retail, and that's a balance, so we don't need a close manipulation signal. I think it can work tomorrow. And this is spider retail. What's spider retail anyways? And wait, this change of direction was not confirmed. I can fly. Also, this is good for short. Oh, look at this guy. Look at it. Look how beautiful it was. It was like, boom, I'm exhausting. Just look at it. Down, 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 down. Consolidating in the resistance zone, so let's put it on a daily watch. Well, technically after this volume they can discontinue everything and start looking at it anew. Practically on the Russian market, it's just beyond free market logic, I feel like. This is not bad. There is volume in all of this. I mean, there is volume in all of this, and that's a transition extreme right there. And also it's not as good as at XRT, but pretty decent. This biggest volume bar is a part of the extremum. This is last day of the hour, last hour of the day. Last day of the hour. I feel like it's powerful. It's last day of the hour. But yeah, something like that. Then this volume comes in, man, last closing of the week. People are nervous, understandable. Super technically, that was an up thrust. But I think that are we anyway? Yeah. Nike. I was trying on Nike. Where was trying? Was it trying here? This volume came in. Just buy the price. Just buy the price. And then it jumps over. On volume to volume and then test. Was Bible arguably here, but no, that didn't make sense. But no. And it's just me. In 4 days I'll be revising the list again. Okay, so that's it for today. I have like a bunch of stuff that's going on tomorrow. Will I ever? But you know, the government just bought 10 billion. Of Intel. It's not true anymore. Wait, what? Didn't they just purchased 10% for 10 billion? Okay, market capitalization. Why is it different though? Ownership. Oh, those are shares, not dollars. So this is incorrect. Government just purchased 10% of the... Oh, so government is not closely held. But yeah. And they didn't buy it from the market, did they? $300 million. So around here it was like almost a... Yeah, so they might have... They should have bought from the market, right? So say 100 million shares, 20... Say $20 a share would make 100 millions, 2 billions by 5. So 500 million share they should have purchased. Yeah, in 2 days. Like, they could have purchased it just from the market. I think, I don't know how it works, but I'd assume they're just buying from the market. Those are all of my... What I'm trying to do here. This is daily. I can fly. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da-ta. This is daily. Now, once we have this, yeah, where is it? Right here, and we hit this volume level. Now test, retest. Why didn't I just buy it? That was the trade that I didn't take. Scary, but you know. But these volumes are like super freaky. And anyway, there is nowhere for us to escape. That's from my solo show I did last year around the same time. No, in June, July, August. Yeah, around the same time. Gosh, it's been a year already. I'm trying to. This isn't a good juicy balance right now. No. You, my friend, are in a balance. I can fly. Salsa day. And this is a continuation of the trend. And so it is. And so this is. And what's going on here? Massacre. Jets. Meaning that I can like look at the chart. Is that what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, now I see. You have to be flexible in this game. Yeah, those are my bro. What? Yeah, this is just, I'll need to clean it up. But anyhow, that's it for today. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself.